Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here in Beloit, Wisconsin, doing a walk around to give an estimate for our gentle detergent wash process on the siding here, and also getting all the gutters cleaned up, roof debris removal, a little bit of home maintenance. Those maple trees have started to sprout some roots. We got stuff growing out of the gutters. But I thought I'd talk a little bit about siding here. This siding here needs to be washed properly without any high pressure. And all this mold and algae, what's really nice about our washing process is when we apply our detergent, it actually turns like a brown color. It then disappears, and then from there we'll actually wash it away safely with no more pressure than a garden hose. When we do our washing process this way, it actually ensures that your house will stay green algae free for up to 2 years, because we actually kill it. We don't just scalp it away with high pressure. Although we would get good results with high pressure, it doesn't actually keep it from coming back. But sometimes when people wash a house with just water and high pressure, you can actually cause a lot of damage. That's something you want to be aware of, because over time house will get a small layer of oxidation, because the UV rays from the sun, what they'll do is it'll start breaking down the siding. So if you don't methodically power wash every square inch of the siding with the exact same pressure at the exact same distance, you'll see like weird lap lines in your siding, and you'll be in a world of hurt after that. You might have to have the siding replaced. You can even damage windows, the gas in between the panes of the windows, mess up screens. So that's not what we do. We provide a very high level of service. That way we can make sure that you can refer us to your friends and family. You'll be super happy for years to come. So as far as the roof cleaning goes, my thing would be to first have us clean out the gutters, and any gutter cleaning service automatically includes us removing the debris from the top of your roof, because that would be pointless to just clean what's in the gutters. Anything that's on your roof is going to fall right into your gutter, so that's all included. But it's right here on the front of your home. I'm starting to notice some lichens developing here. It's not really that serious. I can't see too much of it. Pretty soon it might turn into moss. I can do a couple of methods of cleaning your roof. One of them is a all-natural concentrated soap, and what it'll do is stop any growth on your shingles. It won't do any cleaning, but it'll stop it from growing, and over the course of a year or so, that stuff on your roof should just wash off naturally. If you want to get a little bit more aggressive and you want to see results immediately, we have our same-day results roof cleaning solution, where we apply a chemical very similar to what they use to keep pools clean. And it's diluted the exact proper way that the roofing manufacturers suggest to clean your roof. The lichen on your roof actually has roots growing down into your shingles. So it'll turn yellow or white after we're done cleaning it. That means it's dead. And we want Mother Nature to take the course after that, so that it's going to dry up, and then the hard rains will just wash it off within the next couple of months. Pretty quick process. So I hope this video explains what we're going to do for you. If you have any questions, you're welcome to call me on my personal cell and walk you through the quote. You can reach me at 815-520-020. And after we get all that taken care of on your house, the washing services, what we can do is further extend the life of your roof. After 7 to 10 years of life, your roof will actually start to dry out. The way they're making shingles nowadays is they're watering down their product. So we're for a roof conditioning treatment made out of soybean oils. If you're interested in knowing more about that, I would love to talk your ear off. It's really cool technology to help rehydrate your shingles and give you more life before you have to replace the roof. So look forward to working with you. Any questions you have, you can call or text me. Take care. Have a great day.